Have you ever wondered how some animals managed to survive the dinosaur extinction? Let's take a step back in time to a world vastly different from our own, to the Mesozoic era. This era, spanning over 180 million years, is often referred to as the Age of Dinosaurs. It was a time when these colossal creatures roamed the earth, their thunderous footfalls echoing across the landscapes. The Mesozoic era was marked by a drastic shift in the Earth's ecosystems. It was divided into three periods: the Triassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous. Dinosaur evolution and diversity reached its peak during these periods, with these magnificent creatures dominating the land, sea, and sky. But the dinosaurs were far from being the only inhabitants of this primordial world. Amidst their towering shadows, a myriad of other life forms thrived. Mammals, for instance, were already making their mark. They were small, nocturnal creatures, living in the underbrush and burrows, away from the gaze of the mighty dinosaurs. Birds too shared the skies with the pterosaurs. Descendants of theropod dinosaurs, birds evolved feathers, beaks, and other adaptations that allowed them to take to the air. The sea was teeming with life as well, from the gigantic marine reptiles to the smallest of ammonites. These creatures, though often overlooked, played crucial roles in the ecosystems of the Mesozoic era. They scavenged, hunted, and grazed, each contributing to the rich tapestry of life that existed alongside the dinosaurs. Yet, as we all know, this era did not last forever. A catastrophic event, often theorized as a massive asteroid impact, brought about the end of the Mesozoic era. The dinosaurs, the dominant creatures of the time, were wiped out in this mass extinction event. However, the reign of the dinosaurs came to an abrupt end, but how did other animals survive? That's a tale of resilience and adaptation, a testament to the indomitable spirit of life. But that's a story for another scene. Stay tuned. Around 66 million years ago, an event occurred that changed the course of life on Earth forever. This was the period when the Cretaceous-Paleogene, or KPG, extinction event took place, commonly believed to be triggered by a massive asteroid impact near what is now the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. This colossal asteroid, estimated to be around 9 miles wide, crashed into Earth with an unimaginable force. The impact was so tremendous that it created a crater about 120 miles in diameter and 20 miles deep. This colossal collision released an energy equivalent to 1 billion Hiroshima nuclear bombs, causing an explosion that would have instantly obliterated anything in its vicinity. But the immediate impact was just the beginning. The aftermath was even more catastrophic. The energy of the impact vaporized massive amounts of rock, launching them high into the atmosphere. This debris, blocking out the sun, led to a drastic drop in temperatures, a phenomenon we often refer to as a nuclear winter. The Earth's climate changed drastically. For years, sunlight couldn't reach the surface, causing photosynthesis to halt. This led to a collapse in the food chain, with plants dying off, followed by herbivores, and then the carnivores. The world as the dinosaurs knew it was rapidly changing, becoming inhospitable. In addition to the climate changes, the asteroid impact also caused massive wildfires and triggered volcanic eruptions, adding more soot and ash to the already darkened skies. The Earth's environment was now toxic, with acid rain pouring down, further devastating the planet's biodiversity. In this post-apocalyptic world, the dinosaurs, the mighty beasts that ruled the Earth for over 160 million years, couldn't survive. They gradually faded away, their roars silenced, their footprints erased, their reign was no more. But amidst this chaos and destruction, something remarkable happened. Some animals, against all odds, managed to survive. They endured through the darkness, the cold, the famine. They adapted, they evolved, they lived. The dinosaurs couldn't survive these changes, but amazingly, some animals did. How so? We'll delve into that in our next segment. Despite the catastrophic event, some species of animals managed to survive. Among the survivors were a diverse group of species, including mammals, birds, and reptiles. These creatures were not only survivors, but they would eventually become pioneers, shaping the future of life on Earth. Let's start with mammals. During the era of dinosaurs, mammals were small, often no bigger than a modern-day mouse. This small size may have been a blessing in disguise, as it allowed them to hide from predators and survive on less food, a crucial advantage in a post-apocalyptic world. Moreover, their ability to regulate body temperature helped them adapt to the drastic climate change that followed the extinction event. Next, we have the birds. You might be surprised to learn that birds are actually the descendants of a group of two-legged dinosaurs known as theropods, the members of which include the mighty Tyrannosaurus rex and the smaller velociraptors. Birds managed to survive where their larger relatives did not, thanks to some unique adaptations. Their small size, feathers, and ability to fly allowed them to escape danger and move to new habitats when food became scarce. Lastly, let's not forget about the reptiles. While many reptiles perished in the extinction event, a number of them survived, including turtles, lizards, and snakes. Their survival can be attributed to their adaptability and diverse range of habitats. For example, some reptiles are aquatic, some are terrestrial, and others are capable of both. This flexibility in habitat choice may have been key to their survival during these tough times. It's also worth mentioning that insects and a variety of other marine organisms made it through this extinction event as well. The survival strategies of these creatures were just as diverse, ranging from burrowing into the ground to changing diets, and even to going into a state of suspended animation during the harshest conditions. These survivors laid the groundwork for the diverse array of life we see on Earth today. Their resilience and adaptability in the face of such a catastrophic event is a testament to the incredible power of evolution and the enduring will of life to persevere. Fast forward to the present day, and the descendants of these survivors are all around us. Over millions of years, these animals have undergone remarkable transformations and diversifications. From the tiniest insect to the largest mammal, from the most common bird to the rarest reptile, they all share a common lineage that traces back to those resilient survivors of the dinosaur age. Each creature you see today is a testament to the enduring power of life, a testament to the adaptability and resilience that life possesses. The hummingbird hovering in the air, the dolphin cutting through the waves, the squirrel scampering up a tree, they are all products of millions of years of evolution, molded by the ever-changing world around them. They are the descendants of those who survived the Great Extinction, the living proof of life's tenacity. So next time you see a bird flying in the sky or a squirrel running up a tree, remember, they are living proof of survival against all odds.